Hey there, it's Lenny Gray, the door-to-door millionaire. Are you out knocking doors right now and you're frustrated because door-to-door sales is really tough and you're only closing a small percentage of people you're talking to? Well, listen, in door-to-door, that's part of the battle. Like sometimes it's under 3%, depending on what you're selling. Sometimes it's under 1%. So it can be really frustrating if you've got to talk to 100 people and maybe one of them are closed. Now, there are other ways to measure your success that have given me sanity on the doors, and hopefully that can help you as well, where your other measurables don't have to necessarily be the black and white, did I sell them or did I not sell them? So I call them mini goals, and a few of the mini goals that I use, number one, is how many people an hour am I talking to? My goal is always 7 when I'm out knocking doors. Can I talk to 7 people an hour? Because if I am, I know eventually sales will be made because a lot of times it's a numbers game. So 7 people an hour is the minimum. Second thing of those people I talk to, what's my qualifying ratio? How many people am I actually able to get to the value build with because they've qualified? Not because I just start value building, but they've actually earned my value build. I try to hit about 50%. And then finally, how many callback appointments have I made or comeback appointments have I made for after dark? I feel like that's a really underutilized segment of time. A lot of people think they're going to knock doors after dark and it makes them cool because they made a sale, even though they ticked off a lot of other people because they knocked after dark. So I try to utilize the after dark hours by doing return appointments. And I try to get 2 to 3 of those every single day. So if you can measure your success on more than just did I sell or did I not sell, a lot of times that just helps, again, keep that sanity in door to door. It keeps you pushing and it keeps you focusing on things that are more in your control. And eventually, as you do that, more sales will follow. Hey, for more information and more sales tips and tricks, make sure to follow us at d2dmillionaire.com or lennygray.com. Good luck out there.